Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing. Back up your photos and contacts to Google Drive or a PC so you won't lose anything. Once done, make sure the phone is charged above 50% and on Wi-Fi to avoid interrupted downloads. Next, read and note the exact security error text and your LG model number. That helps you pick the right fix. Now go to Settings, open Security, and check which app or certificate caused the error so you can take the correct next step. Once you've identified the culprit, clear cache and data for that app in Settings Apps. This often removes corrupted temporary files, causing the security error. If that fails, remove any recently installed certificates under Settings Security Trusted Credentials, because invalid certs trigger security blocks. Make sure to reboot into safe mode to determine if a third-party app is responsible. If the error disappears in safe mode, uninstall recent apps one by one until the issue is gone. To finish, update your system firmware via Settings System Updates or use LG Bridge on a PC, because many security errors are fixed by patches. If updates don't help, perform a factory reset under Settings Backup and Reset only after you confirmed backups. Once reset and restored, recheck the security state. If the error persists, contact LG support and provide the exact error message and error logs. That lets technicians
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.